Hi y'all, Billy here. Welcome to the Messy Studio. Today it's time for another quick tip. Before I get to the quick tip, quick shout out to a wood turning buddy of mine from across the pond, Norman McLaren, sent me a nice little card and this little jewel. So let me put it in its place of prominence. Thanks, Norman. That's number 2. Many of us use CA or cyanoacrylate, super glue to the rest of the world, to stabilize cracks in our pieces. It's a very good tool. It works well. However, there's some precautions that one needs to use. CA cures in the presence of the moisture from the air and maybe some moisture left in the wood. And it generates heat. You'll see it smoke quite often. It also gives off some pretty noxious fumes. The cyano part of cyanoacrylate is cyanide. That may give you some idea of why it's noxious. So what do I do to keep those away from me? Well, number 1, I have a fan blowing from behind me, always blowing the fumes away. And number 2, I have my dust collector on. Here's the input from my dust collector, and it will actually pull those fumes away from me as well. So if you're using CA, try to have some way to keep the fumes going away from you. And I have 2 methods: the fan behind me and my dust collector running. Just another quick tip from the Messy Studio. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. That really helps us out, and I appreciate it. See y'all next time.